In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in WhatsApp. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Let's jump right in. So first, you want to open up your WhatsApp, and then you want to navigate to the bottom right to add a new contact. Then click on New Contact, and then you want to make sure that it is in the US. Now, to get the actual ChatGPT number, here's what you're going to type in: 800-242-8478. Then you can change the name. I'll just say GPT, and then you can press on save. Now you can go over here, and then you can search for your contact. So I'm going to go to the search bar and search up GPT, what I named it, and then this is my contact. So now I can start chatting with ChatGPT, and this is an AI, so it'll respond. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you're ready for the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.